What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. Hey guys, as you see right now in the investing account, we're up $60,504.10. Right now, the market came back up a little bit, $4.69 worth. Oh, still moving, or 0.01% for the day. Buying power, $309.69. I've been putting some stuff to work, y'all. I've been putting some money to work. The APY gold is 4.25%. We making some interest on the cash in the reserve. Cash earning interest 359. Lifetime interest paid 59.28. Crypto, I got 101 USDC coin. I got a smidge of AVAT. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I had some Ethereum that I sold at a profit. So yeah, I'll be getting back into more crypto a little later. I see Bitcoin hit over $102,000 a share. I mean, not a share, but per coin, however y'all see it. Anyway, the meat and potatoes of this portfolio is gonna be my stocks and ETFs. Now, the very first stock I want to take a look at today, guys, that I'm super excited about, super stoked about, is gonna be Serve Robotics. Guys, I've been going around telling people about tech stocks, and you guys know I'm a big believer in the Mag 7. I'm a big believer in the S&P 500. I'm a big believer in FTEC, which is an information technology tracking ETF. I'm a big believer in growth right now. Serve Robotics is no different. Serve Robotics has a bunch of their shares have been bought up by NVIDIA, however you want to say it. It's been bought up by them. So it's been touched by the gold standard, right? Right now, Serve Robotics is sitting at $16.50. I still got my same old 10 shares of Serve Robotics. Market value is $165 a share, $165. Average cost. Now, guys, the average cost per share, it was $8.67 for me. $8.67. Now, today's return, I made 10.15% increase or return on this investment. Total return, $78.30 or 90.31% increase. Woo! Guys, look at these monster numbers. Look at the total return, 90%. That is the highest return I have in my portfolio right now, 90%. Yeah, I wish I had more than just 10 shares, but it's okay. It lets me know because Serve Robotics was just going to be a short-term play. I wasn't planning on investing in this long term. I wasn't planning on buying and holding like I always do. That's my strategy. Buy and hold big boy blue chip stocks long term. That's my strategy. But this was going to be a short-term play for me. That's why I bought the 10 shares. I kind of kept it right there. I didn't do any more because I wasn't planning on holding it this long. But once I seen a 90% return, I knew Serve Robotics was something I had to bite the bullet on and kind of keep my hand on it and watch, kind of watch out for it. I'm going to start DCAing in to this stock and get more shares of it. Next up, we want to take a look at SPLG. SPLG is my S&P 500 ETF. Is right now sitting at $71.06. Down on today, which is fine. You don't hear me panicking. You don't hear me saying nothing crazy about the stock market. Oh, it's a scam. It's a tragedy. It's this and it's that. No. It's not none of those things. It's actually doing exactly what the stock market is supposed to do. I expected this. I anticipated this. So I'm in good position. I'm happy. And so it's just an opportunity to buy more shares. Now, I have 200.70 shares of SPLG. Market value is $14,262.17. Average cost is $63.35. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry about that. I have a total return of $1,547.51 or a 12.17% return on investment. S&P 500, SPLG. I finally reached my share size goal of 200 shares. Excuse me. And I'm going to continue DCNA as the new year comes around. But the actual bulk of my money now, since I have my 200 share size goal, I'm going to start flipping it into some other ETFs. But I will not forget totally about SPLG. I will continue to buy SPLG, just now a dollar cost average style on a smaller scale. And I'll be taking the bulk of my money and putting it into other ETFs and stocks that's going to make us rich. Next up I want to look at is FTEC, is the Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. This thing tracks all the information. It tracks all the technology and information sectors. Right now it's on discount. It's on sale, $191.48. I have 5.33 shares. Market value is $1,021.81. Average cost is $156.09. Total return $188.85, or a 22.67% return. Guys, look at that. I have a 22.67% return on my investment. Crazy numbers, crazy growth. Year to date, LTEC is up by 35.26%. So if you would have had FTEC at the beginning of the year and invested $10,000 in it, it would have made you over $3,500 on the year for your investment. Next, I want to take a look at DGRO. DGRO is the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. It's dividends and it's growth. It's a combination of both. Today it was down a little bit by 0.50%, but in the after hours it's back up a lot, 1.34%. That was Starbucks. Sorry. Back to DGRO. Share size 73.957 shares. Market value is $4,687.40. Average cost is $56.75. Total return $490.13, or 11.68% return. It is shot up right here at the end of the closing of the day. Guys, I've actually been considering and I actually been thinking about selling out of my position with DGRO. I know I said I'm buying whole investor long term, and I am, but this is just a play that I was thinking about. I was thinking about liquidating this one so I can take those funds, that market value, that $4,687.40, and I could reallocate this to something else. I've been thinking about it real hard, real bad. You guys kind of let me know in the comment section if I should let DGRO kind of go, or should I let the dividends keep reinvesting and keep it? What should I do? I want to hear your thoughts about DGRO in the comments. The next stock I want to take a look at is going to be Walmart. Lately, Walmart has been crushing it, and it is turned into a financial creating machine. Walmart is sitting at $95.35. Is up on today 0.56%, and down on today 0.06%. Oh, there you go. Look at there. As you have it, Walmart has a dividend coming up, getting ready to pay out $22.42. I have 108.55 shares of Walmart. Market value is $10,350.93. Average cost is $57.16. Total return $4,145.38, or a 66.80% return increase. Wow. Guys, another monster return on investment. Walmart is doing it big, just like the first stock I showed you guys, Serve Robotics, is up by 90%. Walmart is up over 66%. So these stocks are really doing really, really well. And I've made a ton of money this year in 2024. I am so stoked and excited about 2025 because I know the trend, the bull market will continue to rise and it continue to go. Next, guys, I want to take a look at the traditional IRA, sitting at $42,200.68. It was down today, $277, but it's up in the after hours, $131. Buying power, $16,462.80. Just in case I see something out here in the market that I want to grab and put my money into and let it hold and sit and build. That's where, that's why I got so much buying power. I can purchase whatever I need to purchase and put my money to work. Still got 150 NVIDIA shares plus the other 54 NVIDIA shares in the other part of the portfolio. So I still got 204 shares in NVIDIA, another 60.70 shares of SPLG, and another 9.08 shares of FTEC. Right now, the account's sitting at $102,707.71. I got another $7,600 in the investing account with the Fidelity, so that account continues to grow as well. Is high earnings, high rewards, things like that. So, guys, I hope you found this episode interesting. Be looking out for rate cuts. That's gonna send the stock market through the roof. Be looking out for any kind of reports and data that can affect the markets and sway the markets, because we know the news affect the markets, not just the economy. All right, guys, this is KDJ Investor over and out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Peace.